Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Switzerland about to do a song recording and a music video, and I'm going to show you all the behind the scenes. In the car, got picked up by Moritz and Jannis. They're driving, they're over there. I'll show their faces properly in a bit, let them concentrate on the driving. And here's the main man. Ta-da!
What's up, ladies and gentlemen?
So we're off to Basel now, where we're going to basically stay. We're going to record a song together again. This is our third song now.
That's
yeah.
The second time.
Oh yeah, sorry. Challenge was just me being, yeah, like an extra. But this is our second song, and yeah, and then we're gonna do a music video as well. So we're gonna take you guys along with us. This studio space, it's sick. This way we're going to be singing, and then we've got the screen. I mean, this is exciting for me because I think like this just looks so sick. This is so cool. Oh my god, I'm actually tired. We've been here for a good 3 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours. We still have a long way to go. The boys are taking a break downstairs. I decided to sit here. My part's pretty much done, I think. I love that everyone's listening to my feedback, and where I'm just like, ooh, maybe we could change this, maybe we could do this, and I love that everyone's like, yeah, you're right. Makes me feel special. But no, it's nice to participate, and it's nice to be listened to and respected, and obviously changed a few lyrics, which we've done with Vertrau mir as well, because at the end of the day I gotta really love what the part that I'm singing as well, and it has to make sense. So yeah, so this has been really fun. This time I came really prepared, because last time we were in the studio for so long and I was just like, yeah, a little bit bored. This time I came prepared, like got a few movies downloaded, I brought my book, name it. But yeah, it's insane the kind of talent people have and the way they do things, and they do it like this, and it takes me a lot longer just because this is not my forte. Obviously I just enjoy singing and it's fun, but it's different when you sing in Tamil or you sing. I prefer singing on a low note, but then it doesn't make sense because Majoe raps and sings on a low note, obviously. And then here I am, I have to kind of sing higher, and I don't want to end up singing out of my nose, because then it doesn't sound right. So there's so much that goes into this, and this is so cool that I'm able to fulfill this dream and, you know, sing with somebody that I've known since childhood. So we're gonna meet the video team in a few hours as well, just to kind of go through the itinerary for tomorrow. But yeah, today is not as hard as tomorrow is going to be, because it's probably going to be a really long day, so much traveling, and I have to change into different outfits, and I either have to do it in the car or I have to do it in any kind of bathrooms or cafes that we can find on the way. So that makes it so much harder when I don't have an assistant. I could have done a shout out and asked somebody to help, but then I would end up feeling like I need to look after that person, if that makes sense. Like in my head, I'll just be like, oh my god, is she okay? Or is she bored? Or oh my god, is she, you know, does she need water? Does she need food? And so I'd rather just stress about me, if that makes sense. So I usually just, it's always a one-man army man. I usually do everything myself. So it's going to be interesting. It says that it's going to rain a little bit tomorrow as well, so let's find out. But anyway, can't wait to show you guys the video team later. I've worked with them before. They're very well known amongst the Tamil community in Switzerland, so I'm really excited. We have Optima in the house. Hello. എല്ലാരും സെത്ത് പോണ മാറി. Okay. So we're basically discussing the shoot tomorrow. Ingora ready what questions order. Okay, cool. Back at the room. I'm so impressed with Optima. I mean, I kind of knew that they were going to be amazing, but like they had a whole itinerary. They had everything covered, from like the wood for the little fire place thing that we were going to do. Like they had these awesome ideas, and I was actually quite impressed. I mean, I'm not used to this, so this was quite nice. But yeah, it turns out that I didn't bring the right sort of outfits. While the theme or the idea of the music video is a road trip through the countryside of Switzerland. Now, I naturally brought clothes that you would typically wear to a road trip. But then apparently there's like another shot that we're doing the following day with a Rolls Royce and a Lamborghini. And I've got sneakers and denim skirts and floral pretty dresses. It's not going to really go with the theme. So luckily they were just like, you know what, there's a Zara on the way. So I'm just going to probably pick out just something quite nice. That's me, but also chic. That kind of goes with a nice orange Lamborghini. So let's see if that even happens. But buying anything from Zara is not a waste for me anyway. But yeah, back at the room, I brought a little mini steamer. I'm going to steam my outfits, pack, have everything ready. I've got to get up at 6:30, be ready by 7:30, quickly get some breakfast, and then we're off to another city called Bern. I've actually never been. I might have for a bridal job, but I never really got to explore. So it's nice that I get to explore some parts of Switzerland through this music video. And I mean, I'm an extrovert. I love being around a lot of people. So I'm actually really excited that there's going to be so many of us tomorrow. And yeah, I mean, it does say 40% rain. So let's see. Anyway, I've just showered. I'm going to get to bed. Get my beauty sleep, because that's all I'm gonna have to offer for this music video. I'm not singing much. I mean, I'm not really a singer. I sing for fun. So I'm really, really grateful for this opportunity. I mean, I'm pretty sure like people work really, really hard to do music videos and record. And I mean, I've just lived 5%, maybe even 1% of it. And I found it hard. So kudos to all you guys out there who do this for a living, and you know, who this is your passion. That's amazing. Like, I think it's an amazing artistry that requires so much talent and skill and discipline and patience, and oh my god, yeah. But I'm so excited. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. You know, life is too short. You should just try whatever you can, even if you're not the best at it. But it's nice, and I always get nice feedback from it. So thank you so much. Oh, can't wait to take you guys tomorrow with me. Good morning. I'm ready. How are you feeling, Majoe? Es regnet. It's raining.
Müde.
Yeah, we're tired. I think he was still doing sessions till late. I went back to the hotel. I was like so tired. But you know when you're like too excited, you can't sleep. That's my case anyway. But yeah.
And it's a little bit rainy.
Exactly. You know, road trip. Well, the theme is road trip. So road trip during rain can also happen, right? So. Start chewing. These are our co-actors today. And we're like busy setting everything up. And are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very bad.
Pain?
Too cold. I don't like this.
Nan, first part ist so Nan. Ich kenne die Lyrics nicht mal richtig auswendig.
Wir fahren jetzt in den Altstadt. Okay, okay.
Aber das war schon mal gut! So we've shot for the past few hours. It's like nearly 1 o'clock. So we did Bern, and now we're gonna go to Thun.
Yes.
Yeah, that's like the next location.
Genau, bis jetzt Dreh läuft super. The shoot is
Good.
working good.
Yeah.
And now we go to the next scene. And I hope everything will be good. At the
Yeah. And the people that we have with us, they're super nice.
Yes.
It's like there's such really good vibes and stuff, which is really important as well. And then
really excited also.
yeah, exactly. It's been really nice. It's actually been feeling like either friends or the holiday le Poramari. Like, so it's been really cool.
They catch the vibe.
100%. And so next we're gonna go somewhere else. We're gonna see if we're gonna do an outfit change or not. It doesn't make sense to do an outfit change because they're not going to do an outfit change, right?
No.
So it's like a road trip in one outfit, I guess. Yeah, this little I don't know what it's called. It's like a little, you know, camper van, like a little hippie van. It's really hard to drive, by the way. So that's been a little bit of a challenge, but yeah, we're really excited. We had some coffee, we've got some energy. Let's go.
Okay guys, we literally just shot here and Danush also did a music video here. How cool is that?
Es wird Lunch gegessen.
Genau. Pizza für alle.
Ja, wer ist hier Schneider? Sie ist Schneider. Arvind the wife dann in the idan angada kitchen mesa. So. Touch-ups.
Was machst du gerade?
Make-up?
Sie macht diese Line.
Das ist Rouge, ja?
Ach, das ist Rouge. Meinst du im Ernst jetzt, oder wie? Doch, das war
Doch, er kennt sich aus.
Ja, genau.
Ich habe seit 6 Jahren eine Freundin.
Was? 6 Jahre eine Freundin? Dann, deswegen weiß er Bescheid. Na, Sabri in der Oli, ella Make-up heute. Wie attraktiv.
Erfrieren, er ist so. Was geht?
Ich bin die Getränkehalterin. Popcorn rumgeschmissen und dann ist sie auf die Fresse geflogen. இந்த குளிருக்கு என்ன கூட்டி கொண்டு வந்து Swissக்கு இந்த Musikvideoale. Nein, das Sache von Ich bin selbst gekommen, aber du hast die Idee gehabt in der Schweiz. Das auch noch im März.
Aber diesmal hat er wirklich.
Oder hat er dich noch verarscht wegen Udepe?
Ja!
Eins gegen eins.
Hey, ich mach Boxing jetzt, ne?
Ah ja, stimmt. Boah.
Okay, that's what's happening. We're setting up a fire. Ja, genau.
Oh, bis das Ding alles.
Wir brennen alles gleich so scheiße.
So beautiful. So nice. Huh?
இப்பதான் Optimaya கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரெண்டா பாக்குறீங்க. First time. Everyone knows. Okay. And das ist hier Rosti. It's basically like it's like a potato pancake thing and you can have it with different toppings. And I picked vegetables. I love broccoli, so I'm already so excited about this. And then that's like hello. Good morning. I am tired. I'm tired. Well, I think mainly exhausted, but hopefully it won't show in the video because I can see myself on the camera and I do have bags under my eyes and I do feel, yeah, anyway, so dehydrated and stuff. But it's the second day of shoot. I'm sorry I didn't even say goodnight last night. We crashed, okay? I think we got back just after midnight. We had dinner and then it was like by the time I showered and I'm packed, and normally when you have shoot days like this, your adrenaline is still so high, you just can't fall asleep straight away no matter how exhausted you are. So you kind of relive the day, you look through the pictures, and it's like that for me even at events or anything, or after a masterclass. Like, I'm just too excited to sleep. So it took me a while. I think I must have fallen asleep about 2 a.m. Luckily we're shooting a little bit later today because Majoe went back to the studio and he was like doing sessions till like early mornings. I don't know how the guy does it, but he loves it so much. He was like, you know what, he was tired, but then I think the moment he went to the studio he was like, this is my, you know, and good for him. So yeah, so I'm just basically waiting for Vithya, who works with you know, alongside Optimaya for the shoot as well. So they are picking me up. We're gonna go shopping. We're gonna probably go Zara or somewhere that's easily accessible and affordable, just because apparently we're shooting with some luxury cars today and I just brought these kind of road trip outfits. So I'm just like, there is no way I'm gonna go in front of a Lamborghini looking like this. I don't think it flows. So we're gonna go shopping. So they've given us an hour to shop. I'm very quick and decisive, so it's fine. And then basically go to the location and then do, it's called a performance shoot. So you basically play the song on repeat and you sing and you dance to the song on repeat, and then they'll just take little snippets of that, of today's shoot, into the road trip, even though the road trip is the main shoot, if that makes sense. So yeah, and then I get to go to the airport and I get to go home. It's gonna be a long journey. Okay, got my little black outfit that I'm buying. This is sick! So this is like our little industrial little corner. We're gonna do our performance shoot here. Feel a bit overwhelmed because I'm the only girl. Hi guys! I'm the only girl. It's gonna be interesting. There's gold! I'm sitting in the car. Unfortunately, Majoe didn't really like the background, so we're gonna move the cast to another location to shoot. So they're kind of Googling a few places nearby. As long as I get to the airport on time. But we should be okay. This was meant to only take about an hour or something anyway, and we're kind of late. Of course, I had to move cars and sit in the Lamborghini. Ranjan is driving us, and I'm so excited. I'm not gonna vlog because I want to experience this, so see you later. This is the situation, and we're driving the Lamborghini, and this is our view. Insane, right?